Hi, my name is Amber Clark, and I would like to welcome you to Miss Amber Clark's Professional Portfolio, where I will be showing you artifacts and pages on this website that I have created this semester. First, I'm going to start with a page that I am most proud of, which is the Interactive Elements for Learning page. The reason I'm the most proud of this one is because I just really like how the layout is and the Nearpod experience, and I like how the color scheme happened to go together, even though I did not plan that. And what I learned from doing this was actually how to create a Nearpod. Next will be the page that I had the most challenge with. It was the Web 2.0 Tools for Communication Collaboration. The reason that this one was the most challenging for me was just because I seem to have a lot of issues, and the text that I had written deleted itself, and I had to retype everything. And I originally planned a different lesson for this, and then realized I had to change it because I misunderstood the standard. So it just took me a while, and it was just a little bit challenging, but I learned to just be more careful about what I'm doing and making sure that I'm doing everything properly. Now, my best lesson, or my favorite lesson, was Rio the Sloth. It was a digital storybook that I created. It was a lot of fun, and I got to be really creative with it, and I got to put a lot of detail into it. It covered the the rivers of the U.S., the most famous ones, and I could see that being implemented in my classroom in the future. I would love to share that with students. And then going back to this page here where I created a Padlet. This was the most interesting tool that I used, and I am looking forward to using it in the classroom. It was just a lot of fun to put together, and I was able to incorporate different aspects into it, different activities. I could put links in there, I could write things in there, but students could also respond and add their own things into there. And I just thought that was a great way of implementing all the digital citizenship aspects into it, where students can learn how to use technology and media to express their ideas.